Have you ever dreamed of stepping outside and picking fresh food straight from your garden? With rising grocery prices and concerns about food quality, growing your own produce is more tempting than ever. But is it really worth the effort? Beyond the crisp, fresh flavors, home gardening offers health benefits, cost savings, and a deeper connection to nature. It's no surprise that urban gardening, raised beds, and container growing are gaining traction worldwide. But growing food isn't as simple as planting a seed and waiting. It requires planning, patience, and the right setup. From choosing the best method, containers, raised beds, or traditional gardening, to dealing with pests and unpredictable weather, every step matters. While there's an initial investment, seeds, soil, and tools, the long-term savings can be substantial. Certain crops like leafy greens, tomatoes, and herbs can save you money, while others may not be worth the effort. Growing your own food isn't just good for you, it's good for the planet. It cuts down on food miles, reduces pesticide use, and promotes healthier soil and biodiversity. A small garden can make a big difference. But beyond the cost and environmental perks, gardening is therapeutic. It relieves stress, sparks joy, and fosters a deep sense of accomplishment. Whether you're feeding your family or sharing with your community, the rewards are immeasurable. So is growing your own food worth it? We think so. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the journey. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite thing to grow?